We got leftover seafood today. Limon. Look at that, y'all. First bite for you. So I don't think this is cooked all the way, but we still gonna eat it. This is still really good raw. Extra limon. Look at this lobster tail. Limon. Yeah. Crab. Look at these clams. Extra limon. Fresh limon makes it so good. Just look at that crab. Cheers. Imitation crab. I don't want to eat too much now. I just wanted like a little snack or something, like potato. Leftover seafood, so good. Oh, that shrimp just exploded with poop in my mouth. Like, potato. Sausage. I don't have any pants on. Yo, I'm home alone right now, and I keep hearing people break in my house, so, like, I gotta go. It's my lap. See? I'm getting scared. It's my last bite.
Ooh, I almost dropped it. Oh, it's spicy. Why is it so orange? Today we got a crab boil.
We got a home today. Kamu mukbang siput dong. Kamu hari ini kamu mukbang siput. Di sini kita udah ada SpongeBob dan teman-temannya. Ayo kita mukbang crab stick. Lobster. Sosis keju. Kok kayak gosong sosisnya? Udang. Kok ada sapu lidinya? Aku suka makanin kepalanya udang. Squidward. Kerang. Wow. Jagung. Bakso keju. Kalian kalau makan seafood paling suka apa? Aku paling suka kepiting. Tiba-tiba aku kebayang mereka semua lagi pada berenang di perut aku. Maafin aku ya guys. Udah aja. We got an onion bowl today. Look at that. Potato. Look at that, y'all. I got some leftover shrimp. Egg. Oh my god. No. Shrimp, egg. Ooh. Look at that shrimp, y'all. Y'all, that one had a lot of poop in it. I like to scoop up the sauce in the onion. You see all that now? Scoop it up, y'all. I even have onions in my sauce, y'all. Oh, yeah. I think my DoorDasher tried to kidnap me. So let me know if y'all want story time. It's my last bite.
Today I got an onion boil. This is my first time trying it. I'm so excited. Look how good it looks. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon on it. I'm trying to squeeze. How do people eat this? Because I cannot figure it out. Oh my god, look at that. I thought people were lying when they said the onion boil was good, but like it's actually so good. Wrap the shrimp in some onion. If you've never tried it before, I suggest you go ahead. Look at that. I'm gonna make a little shrimp wrap. Pour some of that sauce on top. The shrimp is so good. I've never had shrimp like this before. I got it from MIF Seafood. This is the type of shrimp that you do not need to peel. It's so good. A little onion. I'm gonna try to eat the onion just like this. This is crazy.
Corn. King crab. Four giant king crab.
Today we have a seafood boil. Gosh, nigga! Damn. Imitation crab. Imitation crab. Imitation crab. Double head. Double head. Oyster. Oyster.
Yeah, today I got
Leftover.
Ooh, the seasonings are starting 2025 off real strong. Alright, we got the sauce, we got the boiled sides, we got hush puppies. They threw in cheese sticks. My faves. Happy crab, duh. 2 pounds king crab, half a pound of whole shrimp, potatoes, corn. Oh. Steaming. Happy freaking New Year. Yeah. Let me peel it a little. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ooh. I can't even make that up. Yum. What? The white rice with it. Sauce. Yes. Cheers. Shrimp. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. That's just insane. Perfect bite. Y'all, I just wanted to show you how perfect hush puppy into the sauce. Let's try it. Obviously, it's meant to be. Do we try a mock stick in there? This is dangerous. What? Papas. I love the corn. Here you go. Woo. Chow down on the rest of this. I just want to say how thankful I am for each and every single one of you. 2024 was incredible, to be honest. I'm so excited to see what 2025 has in store for us. I love y'all, and I hope 2025 is starting off strong for you as well. And I hope it treats you right.
It's 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. My voice is gone. It's 2 a.m. Let's eat this seafood. I'm super hungry and excited. Ooh, this sauce is hot. Ooh, this sauce is hot. It's 2 a.m. Let's